F is a mapping from R to R. F of x equal to 1 by 2 minus cos 3x for every x belongs to R. Then the range of f is equal to how much is asked. So we know that range of cos 3x or cos theta. Range of cos theta is always like between minus 1 to plus 1. Range of cos theta always lie between minus 1 to plus 1 we know. Theta or 3x or anything. Range of cos theta. This 3x is theta here. So cos theta lie between minus 1 to plus 1. Now if I multiply with minus, then this becomes 1. When I multiply with minus, inequality will change. So if I multiply this with cos 3x minus, then inequality will change. Then minus of minus plus 1, but greater than becomes less, less becomes greater. So this is minus 1. If I am adding 2, then what happens? So 2 plus 1, 3. I am adding 2. I will write one more step otherwise. 1 plus 2. 2 minus cos 3x greater than or equal to minus 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1, 3 greater than or equal to 2 minus cos 3x greater than or equal to 1. When I am writing reciprocal, then inequality again will change. So if I write this, what happens? This will lie between 1 by 3 to 2. So like less than, greater becomes again less than. 1 by 2 minus cos 3x less than or equal to 1 by 2. So the range is 1 by 3 to 1 by 2 and equal to is there, means including 1 by 3, 1 by 2. So our option is B. Our option is B. F is a mapping from R to R and G is a mapping from R to R defined by f of x equal to x minus step x and g of x equal to step of x for every x belongs to R. Then f of g of x equal to how much is asked? F of g of x equal to how much? What is meant by f of g of x and what is f of x is given? First simply f of x is given as x minus step x. X minus step x means what I told, fractional part of x, only just fractional part of x. Now he is asking f of g of x. What is f of g of x? F of, what is g of x? Is giving g of x is step x. So f of step x I need. Means f of integral part of x I need. But f of x is fractional part. So what I need is fractional part of integral part of x. What is the fractional part of a step x? 0. So our answer is B. Fractional part of a step x. Step x is greatest integer less than or equal to x. So there is no fractional part. It is just an integer. So fractional part of integer is 0. F is a mapping from C to C defined by f of x equal to ax plus b by cx plus d for every x belongs to C. Reduces to constant. First of all, it reduces to constant means if it is a constant function, then our condition must be f dash x equal to 0. If it is a constant function, derivative of this must be 0, derivative of a constant is 0. So we will find f dash x, make it equal to 0, gives you required condition. F dash x means derivative of u by v rule. So cx plus d into derivative of ax plus b is a minus ax plus b into derivative of cx plus d is c by cx plus d whole square. So this is equal to acx gets cancelled. Left out is ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. Making it equal to 0 becomes ad minus bc equal to 0 implies ad equal to bc. ad equal to bc. So our required condition is ad equal to bc. Option C. Option C. Constant f dash x equal to 0. I am finding u by v derivative. V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of b by v square and making it equal to 0 because it is a constant function is saying. So I am making derivative 0. Then AD minus BC equal to 0 implies AD equal to BC. So our option is third option. E power f of x equal to 10 plus x by 10 minus x for every x belongs to minus 10 to plus 10. And f of x equal to k into f of 200x by 100 plus x square, then k equal to is asking. Is giving that f of x equal to k into f of this. I will find f of this is how much first, because I know f of x. So from the given function f of x is equal to, if I apply log, this becomes log of 10 plus x by 10 minus x base e. This is what f of x is given. If you apply log on both sides for this. Now I will come to this function f of 200x by 100 plus x square equal to. So in place of x I am substituting this. This becomes log of 10 plus, in place of x I need to substitute this. This is 200x by 100 plus x square divided by 10 minus 200x by 100 plus x square. If you observe here, this is 2ab form, this is a square plus b square form. Always you will get some k is 2 value. You will see. Okay, this is equal to, take 100 plus x square LCM. This becomes log of 1000 plus 10x square plus 200x by, take 100 plus x square here also LCM, so that those two gets cancelled. So 1000 plus 10x square minus 200x. So if I take 10 common and cancel, this becomes, I am taking 10 common from numerator and denominator cancels, becomes 100 plus x square plus 20x by 100 plus x square minus 20x. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square minus b square minus 2ab. Means this is a plus b whole square, this is a minus b whole square. So this I can write like this, log of a plus b whole square, means a is 10 here, 10 square 100, by a minus b whole square, 10 minus x whole square. Now this 2 comes to the log of a power m, m log a becomes 2 into log of 10 plus x by 10 minus x. So this is nothing but f of x only. So becomes 2 into f of x. I need f of x. Means this 2 comes inside 1 by 2. Now I got f of 200x by 100 plus x square is 2 into f of x. But I need f of x equal to k into this. So this 2 comes to this side 1 by 2. Means 0.5. So our option is 0.5. F of x equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x by sin square x plus cos power 4x for every x belongs to R. Then it is asking f of 2020. This is your IP sum only, very simple. I told you. This is sin power 4 can be written as sin square x into sin square x. So f of x equal to, you can write cos square x plus sin power 4 I can write as sin square x into sin square. Sin square I can write as 1 minus cos square x by same sin square x into cos power 4 I can write as cos square x into cos square x. Now this sin square I will write as 1 minus cos square. This cos square I can write as 1 minus sin square. So sin square cos square x plus sin square x into 1 minus cos square x divided by sin square x into plus cos square x into, this cos square I can write as 1 minus sin square x. Now open the brackets as usually. Cos square x plus sin square x minus sin square x into cos square x divided by sin square x plus cos square x minus cos square x into sin square x over sum is. Now this is sin square plus cos square 1 minus sin square x into cos square x. By sin square plus cos square is 1. 1 minus sin square x into cos square x. So numerator denominator same cancels 1. So is a constant function. F of x equal to 1 means it is a constant function. So what is the value of f of 2020 also? 1. F of 2020 also 1 is our answer. X belongs to R, where function is step of x minus mod x equal to 5, where step x is greatest integer function, even if it gives or not, it is GAF only. Now, what is the value of x which satisfies this? Is there any set? If it is, option A R, option B 5, option C every real number less than 0, option D every real number more than 0. We'll check which is the correct option. He is saying that step of x minus mod x equal to 5. When is it possible? If x is more than or equal to 0, what happens? X is more than or equal to 0, we know that mod x equal to plus x implies x minus mod x is equal to x minus x 0. So step of this we need means step of 0. How much? 0. Is there any step of 0? Is there? This is x minus step x. Is step of 0 is 0 but not 5. Check. If x is less than 0, what happens? Which x is less than 0, we know that mod x is minus x. So x minus mod x equal to x minus of minus x becomes x plus x 2x. Now, what is step of x minus x? Step of 2x. Here x less than 0 means you will get some less than 0 value but not equal to 5. This value must be an integer which is negative because x is less than 0. But he is saying it is equal to 5. So is there any set satisfying this? No. Means our option is B. 5. Null set. There is no set satisfying is equal to 5. It is either 0 or less than 0 R but not equal to 5. So the set which satisfies the given condition is null set 5. F is a mapping from R minus 2 to R defined by the function f of x equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Then the range of f is. This is one way of doing finding the range. Here he is giving f of x is a mapping from R to R, but denominator cannot be 0, that's why he is giving R minus 2. Domain is R minus 2 to R. So when it is from R to R, I told find the inverse method, means let y equal to f of x implies y x in terms of y, so becomes y equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x. If I cross multiply, this becomes 2y minus xy equal to 2 plus x. Now x to this side and 2 to this side, x by to that side, 2 to this side. So becomes 2y minus 2 equal to x plus xy. X plus xy. If I take x common from this, so x into 1 plus y equal to 2 into y minus 1, there is 2y minus 2 doesn't matter. Now x is equal to x in terms of y I told 2y minus 2 by 1 plus y. If you find the domain of this function, that becomes the range of the given function because I am finding x in terms of y. So this is a function in terms of y, inverse function. So what I want to say is domain of this means y not equal to minus 1 here. 1 plus y 0, then the function is not defined. So y must be not equal to minus 1. So domain is r minus minus 1. R minus minus 1. So our option is B. F is a mapping from N to R, natural number set to real number set. It is defined by f of 1 equal to minus 1 and f of n plus 1 equal to 3 into f of n plus 2 for every n greater than 1. So for n greater than 1 is giving this is the function. If I am going to find f of 2, what do I get? N equal to 1, if I substitute here 1 plus 1 2, f of 2 equal to 3 into f of 1 plus 2. I am substituting n equal to 1 here. So f of 1 plus 1, f of 2 equal to 3 into f of 1 plus 2. I know f of 1 value, f of 1 is minus 1. So minus 3 plus 2 equal to minus 1. Similarly, if I substitute in place of n, if I substitute 2 plus 1, f of 2 plus 1, f of 3 equal to 3 into f of 2 plus 2. Again 3 into f of 2 is minus 1 only. So minus 3 plus 2, again minus 1. Like this, always will get the fixed value minus 1. So it is a, you are getting minus 1. So it is a constant function. So it is a constant function such that f of x is equal to minus 1 is the required function. So this is a constant function. So our option is C. F is a mapping from R to R. G is a mapping from R to R. F of x equal to 5x minus 3. G of x equal to x square plus 3. Then he is asking G circle F inverse of 3. So what is asking? G of F inverse of 3. So I need F inverse x first for this. So what is F of x? F of x, let y equal to F of x, if I take, becomes x equal to F inverse of y only. So I need inverse function first. So y in terms of x. Y is equal to 5x minus 3. This implies 5x equal to y plus 3 implies x equal to y plus 3 by 5. Now x is nothing but f inverse y. So becomes f inverse of y equal to y plus 3 by 5. So if I want f inverse of 3, so this becomes 3 plus 3, 6 by 5. F inverse 3 is 6 by 5. Now he is asking G circle f inverse of 3 equal to G of f inverse of 3. You be careful that is not giving f circle G whole inverse. Is giving G circle f inverse, just inverse for f. So I am finding that one is equal to G of f inverse of 3, we found it as 6 by 5. So if you substitute 6 by 5 in the given function, this becomes G of x is x square plus 3. So 6 by 5 whole square, 36 by 25 plus 3. So LCM is 25, 3 is 75. So LCM 25, 75 plus 36. 75 plus 36. So becomes 1, 5 plus 6, 11, 11. 1, 1, 1 by 25 is our final answer. Triple one. The domain of f of x equal to root of log x factorial base 0.5. So first of all, domain means the value of x for which the function is defined. So when do the function is defined? Root is there, means this should be greater than or equal to 0. So our first part is log of x factorial base 0.5 must be greater than or equal to 0. So this is our first point. Next, log is defined only for positive values. X factorial must be greater than 0. So this is always true. This is always true, no problem. Only problem is this. Now coming to this. Log of x factorial to the base 0.5 greater than or equal to 0. Here base is lying between 0 and 1. Means inequality will change, I told. Means x factorial greater than becomes less than or equal to what it becomes? 0.5 power 0. 0.5 power 0 means 1. When do x factorial less than or equal to 1? X factorial less than or equal to 1 means it should be 1 equal to 1. That's it. When do x factorial becomes 1? 0 factorial is equal to 1 and 1 factorial is also equal to 1. No other factorial can be less than or equal to 1. Here I told x factorial greater than 0 but less than or equal to 1. Factorial is always an integer. So x factorial less than 1 or equal to 1 means only it should be 1. So x factorial, when do x factorial becomes 1? 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1. So x values must be 0 or 1. So our option is D. Our option is D. This f of x equal to modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 plus modulus of x minus 3. X lie between 2 and 3 is dash. It is on 2 but not 1 1. 1 1 bijection neither 1 1 nor on 2, which is the correct option is saying. Now he is saying that x lie between 2 and 3. So between 2 and 3, what happens to mod x minus 1, mod x minus 2, mod x minus 3? We know. What is mod x minus 1? X is lying between 2 and 3 means x minus 1 is more than 0. So mod x is x itself. So modulus of x minus 1 is x minus 1 itself. Plus, coming to this. This is also 2 to 3 means more than 2 only x is. So this is also positive. So becomes x minus 2. But between 2 to 3, this is less than 0. Becomes minus. So minus of x minus 3. So this is equal to x minus 1 plus x minus 2 minus x minus of minus plus 3. You can cancel 1x. And minus 3 plus 3 cancels, left out is x. So f of x equal to x means it is an identity function. F of x equal to x means I am getting identity function. So what is identity function? IA, IB, always bijections I told. Identity means 1 to 1. And codomain must be equal to range because every element is mapped to itself. Every element is mapped to itself means it is bijection. So our option is C. So our option is C. F of x equal to x square minus 2x plus 4. Then the set of values of x satisfying the equation f of x minus 1 equal to f of x plus 1. Given condition is f of x minus 1 equal to f of x plus 1. So f of x is given function is this. So f of x minus 1 means wherever x is there, I need to substitute x minus 1. F of x plus 1 means wherever x is there, I need to substitute x plus 1. So this becomes x minus 1 whole square minus 2 into x minus 1 plus 4 equal to x plus 1 whole square minus 2 into x plus 1 plus 4. So if you simplify this, what happens? So x square minus 2x plus 1 a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. And open this bracket minus 2x minus of minus 2 and 4 4 I will cancel here itself. So is equal to here x square again a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2x minus 2. And if I cancel 2x on this side, left out is x square again on both sides. And what more I can cancel them. Plus 1 cancels. And left out is minus 2x to that side, minus 2 to this side. Becomes 2 plus 2 equal to 2x plus 2x. So what I want to say is 4x equal to 4 implies x equal to 1. So our option is x equal to 1. Take equation once again. So x value must be 1. So our option is f is a mapping from minus infinity to 0 to infinity is defined as f of x equal to x square. Then the domain and range of the function is range of f inverse of function it is asking. Domain and range of its inverse means f inverse x domain and range is asking. So what is f inverse x domain and range? First of all, is it 1 1 and on 2? He is giving 0 to infinity means it is 100% 1 1 on 2 because it is giving only for positive values. X square is always positive. So it is 1 1 and on 2. But it is giving here minus infinity to 0 here also. There is no positive values here. So this is 100% 1 1 and on 2. Bijection means inverse exists. Now he is asking domain of the f inverse means f is a mapping from A to B means f inverse is a mapping from B to C. F is a mapping from A to B means f inverse is a mapping from B to A only. So domain becomes range, range becomes domain. That's it. So domain of f inverse is 0 to infinity and range is minus infinity to 0. Just reverses. A to B means B to A. So our option is first option. Okay. From r minus 0 to r defined by f of x equal to x plus 1 by x and f power k of x equal to f of x whole power k. This already we know but is given. And then f power 4 of x minus f of x power 4 minus 4 into f square of x. There is small difference between these two. This is f of x power 4. This is f power of 4x means f of x whole power 4 according to this function. So I will find this f power 4x first. It is nothing but f of x whole power 4. So is nothing but x plus 1 by x whole power 4. If you expand this, what do you get? X power 4. What I want to say is, otherwise you can write whole square, whole square. Two ways of doing this is whole power 4 expansion. If you know, you write it. I know I am writing 1 4 6 4 1. So x power 4 plus 4 into x cube into 1 by x becomes 4x square plus 6 into x square into 1 by x square gets cancelled plus 6 plus again 4 into by x square plus 1 by x power 4. If you don't know this, you do x plus 1 by x whole square whole square. X plus 1 by x whole square gives you this answer finally. Now he is asking all those. So find f square of x also. F square means x plus 1 by x whole square. So this is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 by x gets cancelled, becomes 2. Square of this gives you this answer. X square whole square x power 4. 1 by x square whole square 1 by x power 4. 2 square 4. Next 2ab. 2 into x square into 2 into x square into 2. 4x square, like 2 into 1 by x square 4 by x square. 2 into x square into 1 by x square 2. 4 plus 2 6. So same answer we will get, that doesn't matter. Now coming to our required value, f power 4 of x means x power 4 plus 4x square plus 6 plus 4 by x square plus 1 by x square. X power 4, sorry. I expanded this using binomial theorem that you will learn in second year. You do whole square whole square. Next, minus f of x power 4 means substitute x power 4 in place of x. That is x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. Next, minus 4 into f of x square. So this into 4 is same. So what do you get? 4x square minus 4 into this means 4x square minus 4 by x square minus 4 to the 8. So cancel whatever may be going to get cancelled. 4x square, 4x square. Next 4 by x square, 4 by x square. X power 4, x power 4. 1 by x power 4, 1 by x power 4. Everything got cancelled except 6 minus 8. So our final value is 6 minus 8 minus 2. So the value of this is simply minus 2.